Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to tell you the top tricks of this device. So, the best top trick for me, I think, is that you have your own ANC in your application. The second top trick is that you can use personalized audio based on your hearing. The next top trick is that you can easily manage your headphones through your mobile app, and it is compatible with both iOS and Android phone. You can customize gestures on these headphones and you can customize everything. And the final trick is that they have wireless charging, so if you have only wireless charger, which is for example micro USB, and these headphones are on USB Type-C, you can charge your headphones using this charger. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.